welcome to Viggo's Kitchen. Today we're going to be decorating my vanilla cupcakes that I made. Check out the video on how to make cupcakes. And we're going to be using vanilla icing, black icing, and yellow icing. And we're going to also use a Reese's Pieces peanut cup, part of an Oreo, a sliced bit of marshmallow, and we're also going to need this to coat, an icing knife. And so, let's get baking. So first we're going to start off by coating. We're going to be coating down here so that we can put the marshmallow on. And by the way, we're going to be decorating the vanilla cupcakes that I'm making into pilgrims. Almost done there, just a few more touch-ups. And it's perfect for Thanksgiving dessert. And now we're going to put the marshmallow. That's good. Now we're going to put it on the top so that we can put the hat on. So make sure that you got a lot on the top. And now, just need a little more touch up on here. We're gonna put a tiny bit of white on the little piece of the Oreo. And make sure it's big enough for the top. There, now we can put the Reese's Pieces little cup peanut thing on. There we have the little pilgrim hat. And now we're going to use this to make a lining. I'm just going to kind of move this to the side and this to the side so you can see what I'm doing. Hold it and you're going to kind of just do it around the sides. Almost done, and then we're going to do the little buckle on the top. Now, be very careful on the buckle. The buckle doesn't look that bad. And now we're going to put it on. There's the little pilgrim hat. And now I'm just going to do the face right now. Almost done. There. And he also kind of looks like he has a beard. If you like this video, please subscribe and please press the like button. Thank you for watching Viggo's Kitchen. Bye for now. See you next recipe.